So welcome everyone to my presentation of my final project for the professional internship with Oxford University in Cleveland. So Big Bull Traders project. Table of contents. I'll be speaking about me, a little bit about me, my project objective and the purpose, my project description, and the user interface. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Kyra Behl. I'm 14 years old. I started coding in 2020 and I have been coding ever since. When I'm not coding, you can find me on the piano or the golf course. I'm a published author as well and have published 3 books personally and published 2 books with other writers in Dubai where I currently live. So my project objective and purpose. So introducing Big Bull Traders, which is the name of my project. It's an all-in-one app for seamless tradings of stocks, NFTs, and Bitcoin. You will be able to experience the power of a single platform with a real-time market data and an intuitive interface and sites where you can safely buy whatever e-investments you want. So with the help of AI and computer vision and many more machine learning techniques, I was able to create a project that creates a better understanding for people to get familiar with technology and many businesses as well. As AI is growing like day by day more and more, I wanted to like bring a more AI like development in the e-trading industry. So the purpose is to help businesses in knowing which stocks to invest in and help guide beginner investors. So the project description, so each stock and crypto option in my project, like the examples would be Meta, Disney, Ethereum, Tether, much more, are trained with the help of RNN with around 70 to 100 epochs. The following steps for each are data processing, model building, model compiling, model fitting, model prediction, and result visualization. The whole project is created on Google Colab with the help of Dash, which is where I created a dashboard. I wanted to create a dashboard because it's like unique and it's more interactive for the user. And Plotly is used for interactive plots, which will be very helpful as stock is more of a time series data. All stocks and cryptos and whatever are time series data, so more like visually plots are more interactive, like more eye-catchy and better. So these are used to create a dashboard which successfully opens a web page. So you will get like a field of a website. So I've created it with Google Colab and Dash, which comes under Plotly. So the user interface is actually a whole web page, but I've created like 3 snapshots of the main elements of it. Here as you can see, and I'll be giving a more thorough description of it later, like, when I go through it. So thank you for your time for going through my presentation, and now I'll be going through my project. So as I will be going to the code now. So firstly, the main important part was installing Dash, like their library, because that's where my main user interface is made. And as you know, as important the back end of a code is, the more important the front end is, because that's how you're going to be presenting it to the user. So I wanted to create my dashboard as like unique and good as possible, taking inspiration from other websites as well. So as every element is being made curated to the dashboard, so every part is put organized well, so that the dashboard itself will look proper like a website, which I wanted to look very professional. So these are some of the interactive plots I had made. This is a stock backend. So what I did was each stock crypto was trained and then some NFT plots were trained with the epochs. So that created a plot. So as you know that visual like appearance would be a nice plot. So I made a plot and then I added a picture for that to the project. And then I made each like around 4 to 5 interactive plots for each of them. So that's how my project runs. These are the stock part of the code for the interactive plot. And this is the crypto part. And then for the NFT, I made around 4 plots where 2 are interactive and 2 are normal. So the interactive ones are highest selling NFT, lowest selling NFT, and then the normal plots are the highest transactions and the lowest transactions. So the dashboard link, so once you run the program on your end, this link will pop up and you can, so as the link loads, a dashboard will pop up now any second. So, yeah. So here is the company's name, the logo and everything. It's a stocks crypto Bitcoin. E-trading purchases one stock destination. So I've added these three like cards which show how many existing stocks, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs are there in the world to show the user that what a big like market is out there and you can be part of it, or if you're part of it, like the if you are also have an importance and an effect in it because you are also trading as such. So that is to show the user that. And then I have made three interactive plots. So Plotly actually incorporates some of features for the user if you have an interactive plot. So these like number of like 7 to 8 features along with the Plotly website, which can pop up. These are offered with every interactive plot that has been made in the project. So that is one thing that the user can look into. So zooming in, zooming out, selecting like a certain area or moving it up and down in case you want to like look more into this, whatever, and like lasso select. So you go like this, you can select in more like detail and whatever, and go reset axis. And once you want to go back, you can just reload the page and it will go back. This is a bar, like more of a pie chart that can focus on the presence of e-trading sources. This is for different stocks that I've chosen for my project. And lastly, the growth of NFTs. So these three buttons actually recommend three sites I have personally used and have been recommended by other people where you can safely buy or find more information about, or like prices that are currently being updated live for each crypto, NFT, and stock. So I'll be like, these are three different trading drop down, but I'll straight go to stock. So, let's say I want to go to the Tesla TCL, that's known as a stock code. This is the plot that comes up. So this is like a valid prediction plot which I've created. And this you can see that has been updated 2023. So it's very like live. It's been 2 to 3 months around that. It's been updated. And now the rating. So you'll be able to change the plot according to the plot you choose on the rating for your Tesla. So candlestick, which will come up. So the candlestick plot, there's a line graph, which I just showed, the bar chart. There's also the histogram, the scatter plot, and then the advanced candlestick. So now you can try the same for the crypto. So like if I chose Ethereum, by chance I will get this. So I'll get their normal plot first, which I created using the machines. So my prediction is very well trained machine I have actually created because my validity and prediction are the same. That shows how well and accurately the machine has been trained. So yeah, so the stock will stay and then the Ethereum plot will come below. So this is the Ethereum scatter plot. And once again, once you change the rating, the plots automatically change by themselves, which is the function of the machine. Yeah, this Ethereum and the stock one. So now lastly, the NFTs. So I actually made a collage of like a nice pop-up image of NFTs here. And then if you wanted a highest selling NFT, this is like the interactive plot. And then along with the lowest selling NFT also has its interactive plot. It's only offering like a bar chart because like that's where like, so lowest transactions has a picture plot, but the lowest selling NFT has a interactive plot because I wanted to keep on both ways. So there's only a bar chart offered. There's no other plots because that's the best representation for NFT. So overall, this pretty much sums up the project. I really enjoyed being part of this internship, and it was a really big like part of my journey with Clever. So once again, thank you everyone for your time, and I really hope you like going through it.